everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J. Smith here. I am back with another video for you guys, and yeah, if you're looking at me wondering what is going on here, this is my natural hair. Oh, natural, honey. I decided to bring her the furrow, okay? Just pop her out today, do some growth check, and I think she's growing, okay? But I am super excited because I want to share some makeup hacks or some makeup tips, if you will, that I learned from Lori Hogg makeup training that we had here in Vermont. It was a great training. She's an awesome makeup artist, has been in the business for a very long time. If you're a beauty consultant, I'm sure at some point or the other, your director must have shown you or given you a copy of the Marykay Foundation conversion chart. It's a very awesome chart that Lori Hogg put together, and it's definitely been very helpful for all beauty consultants. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then I would highly suggest that you Google Lori Hogg and you'll see her conversion chart pop up. Fair Bronze 2 in time-wise. It'll tell you what you are in the medium coverage. It'll tell you what you should use in the CC cream. So at the training, she shared lots of information with us, but I just picked out these few interesting tips that she shared, which I figured would be great to try out here on my channel. So this video mainly is going to be about the base, our foundation, the application of it, the techniques that we can apply to get a much more flawless look. So before we begin, let me just talk about my skin. I have combination oily skin. I get oily in the T-zone area. Typically when I'm doing my makeup, before I'm done shooting the video, my oils start to shine through. That's where I, get really greasy. So that brings me to the first makeup tip that Lori Hogg gave us, and that is using the marykay Reviving Facial Spray first on our skin. So as you know, this product is part of our limited edition fall collection. Her first tip was to use this first on your skin before you start your makeup. Let's just go in and we're gonna test it out. In case you're not familiar, this Reviving Facial Spray is actually not a setting spray. It's more like to, help freshen your skin throughout the day. It's like hydration for your face because it has coconut water in it. So next is our primer. And Lori Hogg talked about how to properly apply your foundation primer. People say, they put on the primer and they don't really see any difference or any blurring effect. And she talked about how it's all about the application technique that we use. So I'm just gonna place it right here, okay? A little bit of here. Once you have your primer on, and after spraying your face, she says to go down just like this, right? With your cleaning brush, and then you go up. So apparently this technique will fill in the pores, all right? And help to, give us that blur. So the next step is setting spray. And I'm gonna be using Marykay finishing spray. All right, so she says to set your primer down. So that's what we're going to do. Whoop. All right, now I think that was a little too much. And you just want to fan. So now our base has been hydrated with some coconut water. It's been primed and it has been set. So another great tip that Lori Hogg shared was going in with the CC cream under your foundation. What? I was like, what? Why? Again, because CC cream is hydrating because it gives you that nice moisture and glow and everything. So being a combination skin girl, that kind of also threw me off, like, wow, okay. But we're gonna try it. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use CC cream on one side of my face so that we can tell if there is a difference. So I'm just gonna apply my CC cream on one side of my face, and the shade I'm using is Deep. So if you're new to my channel, I actually have a video, and I'm gonna link that up right here, where I did a review on the CC cream. I did that with my Marykay sister Carmen, and I think it's a pretty interesting video, so go check it out. So talking about foundations, I actually have been mixing my foundations, okay? I've been mixing my bronze 600 medium coverage with the Time-Wise Matte Wear in bronze 3, all right? I'm probably gonna make a video talking about foundations, and we're gonna have a whole discussion about it. But that's what I've been doing. So I actually talked about this to Lori Hogg at the workshop, about foundation matching, how I've been kind of struggling with the undertones of some of our foundations. and that has just led me to be mixing these two. So when I showed her these two, she did something that was pretty cool, I thought, and I'm actually going to do what she did on me. She kind of used the darker foundation, which was the bronze 600, on the perimeters of my face, and then went in with the lighter one. Like you see, I just applied the 600 right here, and I'm gonna go with the lighter one in here, which is what she did. So I'm just gonna blend this side first. Which is what I think she did. Because actually, when you think about it, especially if you're a woman of color, our face typically isn't one shade, right? It typically isn't one shade. We usually are darker around, you know, the forehead area, you know, because of the sun and everything. I guess in a sense, it does make sense to use two foundations. And when you do think about it, that's what the whole purpose of contouring is about. Is, you know, applying the base and then going to follow the natural shade of your skin, and you know, to bring back that warmth. And I'm gonna blend in the other foundation right here, which is, I believe, what she did. And another tip Lori Hogg shared with us was not lifting your brush off your face until everything is buffed in and blended in. Now for the other side, I'm going to mix it. So I'm just gonna mix it back of my hand, my bronze 600, and a little bit of bronze 3. All right, okay, well, hopefully I didn't mix that too light, but I'm just gonna take that and then apply it on this side. I'm gonna go with the same brush that I used to apply the CC cream, and then I'm just going to blend that in. So you don't have to do all this extra step I'm doing. Remember, if you have your shade, just go with your shade as you normally would. All right, so that's done. So now I'm just gonna do a quick eye look. First thing I'm gonna pick up is Cinnabar. So I'm just sweeping Cinnabar in my crease, but just to wake us up. So next I'm gonna go in with Burnished Bronze. The Burnished Bronze is supposed to be a replacement for Truffle and another color that I love so much. And honestly, it's not my favorite color, but because I'm just gonna do something simple. All right, so we're just going to use that. Okay, so I've done my eyes. I popped on the Burnished Bronze, applied kohl to deepen the crease as you saw, and then I kind of went over with a flat brush. I picked up Gold Status right here, and I just went thinly with the brush and like to cut the crease and just line my eyes, pop some mascara, and I'm done. I'm not putting lashes tonight because this video is not really about the eye makeup, it's more about the skin, you know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna go now with a little bit of cocoa, warm up that area a little bit more. I love cocoa. And I'm going to do a mix of golden copper and coral together. All right, just like that. Tap, 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 and just pop. Ooh, ooh, they got pigment. They got pigment. Yes, chroma fusion. To finish up my look, I'm going to be using the marykay Gel Semi Matte Lipstick in Poppy Please. So I'm just gonna pick up Honey Glow to highlight my cheeks a little bit, just like that. Pop her right on top, just a little bit, not too crazy. Okay, just back and forth, up a little, and then just like that. Cool. I think I might have gone a little ham on my blush. Just a little ham on the blush, but that's okay. There you have it, you guys. We are good. We are done. So, the moment of truth. Do you think it is worth taking these extra steps? Do you think my makeup looks more flawless than ever? I really like what I see in my mirror. This side has a CC cream, which is supposed to give me a more airbrushed, flawless, glowy complexion, and this side doesn't. This side just has my foundation. I like it very much. I really do. I like the way my base looks. And remember, we didn't do any cream highlighting under the eyes or anything like that. This is all just foundation, and I haven't broken out in oil. Nope. Let's see. I am still looking very nice and matte, but I do have a nice healthy glow to my skin, and it's not like concentrated here, it's just like all around. I just feel like I look glowy, look healthy, my face looks great. Yeah, I am impressed. I really am. What do you think about it? Sign off in the comments. So the reason why Lori Hogg said to use this spray is because one of its ingredients is witch hazel, which I don't think I remember to mention in the beginning of the video. but apparently it has witch hazel, which I kind of tried to read on the body and I don't see the ingredients listed here. Maybe it's on InTouch. If you have oily skin, you know that witch hazel is a great ingredient to help control excess oil on the skin. Remember, after the reviving facial spray, we applied our primer and then we set that with the finishing spray, which I guess is genius because that helps to lock everything down in and helps to mattify it all down, which I think is brilliant. The only sad part about it is that this is not on our regular line. This is going to be done. Like once it's out of stock, it's out, it's gone. Beauty consultants, if you have this product, try it out for yourself. If you love it, you know, demo it on your customers, see if they love it. And like I said, just stock up on it so you don't run out. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was great to try out Lori Hogg's makeup hacks and tricks and tips. And we are here for all the tea. And I'm glad she spilled the tea. And I'm glad to be bringing and sharing the information and the knowledge with my viewers. So let me know if you see any difference. I don't know what the camera is showing, but what I see in person in my mirror, my skin is just like radiant. Okay, it's just radiant. Let me know if when you try this step, if it's an extra step you think it's worth doing. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload. Okay? This was fun. I really enjoyed doing this. Thank you for joining me and I will see you on the next one. Bye!